Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you OpenTable how to change password. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To change your OpenTable password, what you need to do is head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar simply type in opentable.com. Then once the home page loads, what you need to do is tap on this three horizontal bar on the top right corner of the screen, then simply tap on sign in and log in with your credentials. Then once you are there, simply tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen, then navigate to account details. Then from the drop down menu, locate change password section, then simply enter your current password and then enter your new password and confirm it, and once done, simply click on save changes to update your password. If that doesn't work, you can also use the forget your password option right underneath the password box. Simply tap on that and follow the on-screen prompts to successfully reset your password. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.